Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Beautiful Art and Craft Kids. I How to draw a cute panda step by step. Supplies: paper, pencil and eraser, black marker or pen for outline, color pencil or marker, optional pen, black pen. Step 1. Draw the head. Start with a large oval or circle for the panda's head. Make it round and soft. Pandas are cuddly. Step 2. Add the ears. Draw two small circle or half circle on top of the head. These are panda's fluffy ears. Now the step 3. Add the eyes. Draw two large oval-shaped eye patches inside the face. Inside each patch, draw a small white circle for the sparkle and then a bigger black circle for the actual eye. Leave a little white space to make it look shiny and cute. Step 4. Nose and mouth. Draw a teeny oval nose in the center of the face. Below the nose, draw a short vertical line, then curve out into a 3 shape sideways for a smile and small W shape. Step 5. Body. Draw a smaller oval or rounded shape below the head for the body. Make it short and plump to keep it cute. Step 6. And then arm, then legs. For the arm, draw the short oval sticking out from each side of the body. For the legs, draw two stubby oval at the bottom of the body. Shade arms and legs black. Final touches. Step 7. Final touches. Okay, add pink cheeks, teeny circle for extra cuteness. Now second point, you can draw a bamboo stick in its hand or a heart above its head. Optional color guide, your choice. Point 1, face and body white. And the second point, ears, eyes, patches, arms and leg black. Cheeks, light pink. Bamboo, if added green. Would you like me to generate an video of a cute panda for you to reference or trace? Okay, so bye bye.